trees are essential resource for humans. There are a total of 3 contents: disappearing trees, benefits of trees, and how to save them. First, disappearing trees. Let's find out the seriousness of the situation. Blank trees are cut down around the world in a day. Can you guess what's going to be in the blank? Who can answer? No one? Then I'm gonna pick one of you. Okay, Leo.
Disappearing.
Blank. What's going to be in the blank?
A lot of trees.
Yes, a lot of trees, but number.
Of 4,000 trees.
No. Oh,
4 million. 6,000.
oh,
1 billion.
40,000.
okay, then I will show you the answer. 41 million trees are cut down around the world in a day. So, why? Who wants to answer? Jesse?
People make like table and desk, and it may use trees.
Oh, okay then. There are 3 main factors. First, expansion of agricultural land. People clear the forest to produce palm oil, grow soybeans, and do cattle farming. Second, urbanization. Forests are being destroyed because of roads, buildings, and factories. Third, industrial logging. People cut down trees for timber production and securing paper raw materials. The next topic is the benefits of trees. The most representative example is fresh air. Trees naturally improve the quality of the air. They absorb pollutants like dust, smoke, and carbon monoxide through their leaves and barks. They also absorb carbon dioxide, one of the main greenhouse gases, and convert it into oxygen through photosynthesis. Second, trees keep us healthy in mental aspect. Trees make our minds peaceful. When we see a forest, we can feel comfortable and calm. It has been scientifically proven that just looking at the forest reduces our stress. It would be nice to go to the forest and appreciate the scenery in order to maintain your mental health. Third, trees provide us with food. Let's fill this basket with fruits that grow from trees. Apples, pears, and what is the name of this fruit? Persimmons, peaches, plums, pomegranates, oranges, bananas, mangoes, durians, avocados, and lemons, and so much more. Fourth, we can produce various types of products with trees, including desks, closets, chairs, pencils, t-shirts, notebooks, boxes, and cartons. You can find wooden objects everywhere. Fifth, trees prevent natural disasters. When it rains, all of the water goes into the ground. Eventually, when the ground can't hold anymore, tree roots absorb the excess water. It means they prevent floods and landslides. Last of all, we should learn how to save trees. First, join the campaign. Environmental protection organizations such as Greenpeace, WWF, Rainforest Alliance, and IUCN host many activities for forests. Response to the climate crisis, recovery from forest fires, growing a forest, and creation of urban forests are some of the things you can participate in. Second, save and recycle paper. Using both sides of paper is the easiest way to save. If you have to buy paper products, try purchasing eco-friendly and recycled ones. They are a bit more expensive than the normal products, however, it'll be definitely worth it. When you throw away the trash, separate all of the paper products from the rest of the trash. And you can use a handkerchief instead of tissues. Tissues are made from trees. Your small practices seem to have little effect on protecting the forest, but those small practices will come together and produce great results. In summary, trees are important to environment, health, food, and economy. They allow us to breathe fresh air, keep our minds peaceful, provide hundreds of fruits, and let us make products. We have to protect these valuable trees. Thank you for listening to my presentation.
Hello, I am William. Today I will tell you about why we must save water. Water is very valuable resource. If water disappears, we will die. First, water used in so many ways. We usually take a shower, but during shower we use too much water. Besides washing hands, drinking water, and flushing the toilet are use too much water. Second, if water disappears, humans, animals, and plants will die. Water is super necessary for living things, and we will die in 3 days if water disappears. Water is very valuable thing, but we are using too much water, so we have to save water. Thank you for watching.
Hello everyone, my name is Sophia. How much water do you spend each day? First, I will do a simple test for you. This is test simple water consuming test. T.Anna. How much time do you take a shower?
I usually take a shower more than 15 minutes.
And how often do you recycle plastic paper can for 1 month?
Two to 4 times.
And do you use a cup while brushing your teeth?
Sometimes.
How often do you go shopping for 1 month?
I was shopping more than 6 times.
What is your eating habit?
I'm carnivorous.
And do you like eating delivery food?
Yes, I love pizza.
Congratulations, you use 1,000 liters of water. For me, I use 1,685 liters per day. Washing your hands, dishes, while taking a shower, you use more water than you expected. If you use much water, we will face water shortage. So I will tell you the ways to save water. First, using a cup while brushing your teeth and turn off the tap. If you use a cup, you can save 10 to 15 liters per one time. Also, turning off the tap is important because you can prevent wasting 11 to 26 liters. Second, you can water your plants with rainwater. You can collect rainwater on rainy day It helps not only save water but also save your money. And which do you think is better for plants, rainwater or tap water, Jessie? Which is better for plants, tap water or water? Rainwater.
Rainwater is
Yes. Rainwater is better than tap water for plants. In summary, we can save water by doing small things. As time goes by, the wastewater amount will be decreased. Finally, we can prevent water shortage. Thank you for listening to my presentation.
Hello, my name is Olivia. Today I'm going to talk about water shortage. Today we are going to learn why water shortage is happening and how much water need in our daily routine and what can we do for water shortage. Why water shortage is happening? There are many reasons. First, as population grows, we need more water like cooking, agriculture, clothing, so people use excess of water. Second, because of climate change, the drought increases and flood happen more often. So water shortage is happening because drought and the flood waste a lot of water. Third, like water pollution, the most is useless, so reduction in usable water resources is happening. Four, because of the lack of water management system, lack of shortage and water pollution facilities. Because if we don't have much water management, we don't have much clean water, so water shortage is happening. How much water needed in our daily life? First, it takes 100 to 200 liters of water to make a glass of wine. Second, we use 20 liters of water per day for our hygiene, like wash our hands and take a shower or bath, and cooking, like washing clothes or washing dishes. Third, to make orange juice or soda, it takes 371 liters for orange juice and 175 liters for soda. Fourth, agriculture is the most. It even takes 15 million. 15,000 or 415 liters per 1 kilogram. What can we do? First, when we brush our teeth, there's a time when we don't use it on water. Then we should turn the tap off. Second, regular quick shower and a bath. Then we can save 64 to 75 liters of water. Third, avoid the overwatering plant when you give a plant water. Fourth, buy clothes when you really need it, because it takes a lot of water, like washing clothes. So we have to buy only clothes when we really need it. Five, there's a time that water is cold when we take a shower. In that time, use a bucket and capture that water, and like use like gardening and washing clothes. Six, when you water a plant, avoid hose or sprinklers. It can waste 15 to 100 liters of water. Seventh, use a dishwasher when the dishes are full in the dishwasher, because there is a when we use a dishwasher, it takes a lot of water, so it is efficient to use the dishwasher when the dish is are full in the dishwasher. 8. Collect rainwater when it's rain. Then we can use that water in gardening to water the plants or trees, many things that we in garden. Thanks for watching.
Hello everyone, my name is T.Anna. Today I want to talk about how to save water. Have you imagined that there is no water? Water is one of the most important nature resources. We use it for drinking, cooking, cleaning, farming. But pollution and climate change are causing serious water shortages. One way to save water is turning off the tap when it's not needed. Many people leave the tap running while brushing their teeth or washing dishes. But this wastes a lot of clean water every day. And another way to save water is reusing it whenever possible. For example, water used to clean vegetables can be used to water the plants. And we can collect rainwater in barrels, and we can use for cleaning or gardening. So using water helps reduce wasting water. And the effect of saving water is, first, we can protect the environment. And second, we can improve the quality of life. And third, we can reduce electricity and gas bills. And lastly, we can conserve energy. So, water is a variable resource. Turning off the tap and using water can reduce shortages and support the environment step by step. Thank you for listening.
Hello, my name is Jessie. Do you know that we don't have much water? Water is very important for life. Stella, do you think water is important for our life?
Yes,
Why?
because we use water in many ways.
Okay. Water is important for our life, but many people waste much water. We need to save water by doing things like taking short shower and turning off the tap and using cup during brush your teeth. Okay, we can save water in the bathroom. First, when you brush your teeth, okay, Olivia, do you using a cup during brush your teeth?
No.
What? What? Okay, what do you using during brush your teeth?
Oh, toothbrush and hand.
Okay. Using cup is good for saving water. Okay, and second, we should take short shower. Okay, Sophia, how long do you taking a bath?
More than 25 minutes.
Okay, finish a minute is good for saving water, and don't play during the shower, and it will waste water too much. And water is so important for our life. So we should save. We should don't waste water too much. Thank you.
Hello, my name is James, and we're going to learn this. What if one infant could naturally protect the environment? Praying mantises eat harmful insects and help keep nature balanced. William, what you think about mantis?
Mantis is good for ecosystem.
Okay, and therefore, praying mantises are beneficial insects for the ecosystem and human. They also support the food chain and help maintain balance in the ecosystem. In conclusion, praying mantises are helpful insects in nature. And next, there there are many people kill mantises, and please don't kill them. Thank you for watching, everyone.